moist, it's tender, and it's absolutely delicious.
Marinade, chili powder, paprika, coriander seeds, star anise, crush, thyme, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, mix, pork chops, marinade, chill, hot pan, olive oil.
Pork chops into the pan. Colour them both sides. Tilt the pan and baste. Into the oven, 8 to 10 minutes, 200 degrees.
Sweet potatoes, peel, chop. Chicken stock, boil. Drain, hot pan, olive oil. Shallots, garlic, season.
Lightly caramelise the shallots. That helps to sweeten the potatoes up even more.
Sweet potatoes. Crush.
Finish it with some fresh coriander and sage.
Mix.
What a delicious way of eating sweet potato. Pork chops out.
Rest.
Sweet and delicious classic.
Spiced pork chops with crushed sweet potatoes. Done.